Chip. No. God. Alright. Let's check this out. So, I want to open the big one first because these are heavy. I really do think I have an idea of what's in here. I have no idea what's in here. One more box and a hat. Hell yeah. I like it. We're all set here. We're all good. We're part of the team. It's actually a decent hat. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's just a black hat. And there's more on the side, even though I don't have a 370. I'm pretty close, man. I got a VQ, so it counts. Shout out to Z1 for hooking me up with you guys' shit. Look at this. Look at this. You guys sent me a sticker too. Oh, you guys are sweet. Anything else in here? Anything else? Anything else? No? No? Alright, we're gonna keep this box because I got literally like 6 other boxes that we gotta open up. So, should we see what's in the big box or let's open the little boxes? Let's open the little boxes. I want to piss people off. Where's my blade? I just had it. Here it is. Alright, so let's peep what we got here. Inside little box number 1. Oh, these are the calipers. Oh man, that looks sick. That looks sick. Oh. Damn, that's nasty. That's nice. These are the Akebono upgraded brake calipers that I got from Z1 Motorsports. If you guys get the whole entire set, these will come with it. You don't have to get calipers and rotors and brake pads all separately. Damn, this is freaking cool. Yeah, no, I'm excited. Alright, let's put this back because there's a lot of like grease and oil on this and I really don't want to tamper with it or mess it up, so. Jesus. Do you see the size of that thing? Look at that. Yeah, look at the size of these things, man. I'm happy. This is so cool. Let's go ahead. We kind of have an idea what's in big box number 4. So, let me show you guys this real quick, the brake pads that we got. Yeah, we got all 4 posi quiets on all 4 brake calipers. Stainless steel brake lines. We're switching out the brake lines. We're not just gonna put rotors and calipers and stuff on. This says Q60 coupe. Does it matter?
Joe.
Yo, Chad.
Huh?
And I got brakes.
Damn, boy.
Yeah, son.
You want to do them tomorrow?
Yes.
I'll price them together for you.
Alright, you're the shit.
Bring me that, give me that good cash.
Can I throw it through your window? Straight singles?
Like, we can probably do, well, it probably takes some time, so come a little early.
Yeah, I will. I'll come like 10:30, 10 o'clock or something.
No, whoa.
Like 11? 11?
11.
11. Alright, sorry, I don't want to wake you up, bruh. You own the shop, your time.
Alright.
Hey, one more question. Yeah. These stainless steel brake lines say they're for a Q60 coupe. Does that really matter?
I don't think so. If it does, we can still use the brakes. We'll just return them and get the other ones.
Get the other lines?
We'll get the other lines.
Yeah, because the brake calipers and the rotors and everything look pretty straight.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Alright, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Alright, so far, I think these are the rear brake calipers. Front brake calipers. Stainless steel brake lines. Posi Quiet brake pads. And now we got these. And my best guess is these are the rotors. Damn, these are heavy. Damn, these look cool. I can see them already. Ooh-wee. These are cool. All right, y'all, so let me explain what we have here. These are actually slotted only brake rotors. Now, what you guys usually see, and I'll explain why I only got slotted. What you guys usually see on your Q50s, especially from factory, or if you did go the Akebono brake upgrade, a lot of you guys go drilled and slotted rotors. I don't have a race car, you obviously know that, but I will do a lot of frequent accelerating and stopping, and you know, I'm gonna be going through a lot of temperature changes, and with all that, I really do not want my brake rotor to crack. So I'll take any precautionary measure that I would need to. And for that case, I went slotted only. Now what slotted only does is, yes, you still do have the separation that does let air in between your brake rotors, so you still have that cooling factor. They might not look as cool, but that's completely okay because these are actually really functional, and the slotted look really cool at that. And what this does is it gives you a clean slate every single time rotation goes through on your brake pad, so that way you have brand new fresh contact from your brake pad to your brake rotors. If you guys haven't figured out yet, we are on a road to the red sport here, where we are taking our 3.7 Infiniti Q50 and turning it into a 3.7 Red Sport 400 with the Stillen supercharger. Now we're doing this supercharger kit a little bit different. We're making it a lot more efficient, especially for the power output that we're looking for. We already have some upgraded parts and components for this kit. As you guys saw in my last video, we actually had an air-to-air upgrade kit come in, and we actually unboxed that. We unboxed the intercooler, and I showed you guys that a little bit. Now, if you guys want to follow this journey, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, share it with your friends, guys, because we got a lot of exciting stuff coming. Follow this channel, follow me on Instagram at RRQ50, where I keep you guys updated with all the stuff, including the unboxings, and everything that we get for our Infiniti Q50 is going to be on there if you guys want to check that out. That's going to be it, guys. I'm RR. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm out.